I have the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and in today's video, I'll show you how to update the software or the firmware on these earbuds. Now to do this, you need your earbuds connected to a device like your phone and ensure they are connected. So mine are already connected. If they're not, you can enter pairing mode and simply connect to your device, and you can check out that video on how to do that. It's in the playlist for these earbuds. Once you connect your device to your phone, simply go into settings. So select settings, and then under settings, you want to select Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, as you can see, my earbuds are already connected. So simply tap on the settings or the eye icon next to the name of your earbuds, and then you should see an option like earbud functions, or it should take you directly to a page like this one where you can scroll down all the way down until you get to firmware update. So tap on firmware update, and then you simply select check for updates to see if there are any available updates. Now, if there are no updates available, it's going to tell you that. And if there are any updates available, you simply need to tap on download and install, and the updates are going to install and then be transferred to your earbuds. That's basically how to update your earbuds, the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.